Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So for your moon energies today, we'll be picking one card. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, Aquarius. So let's start with your general energies. We have Clover, Mountain and Bear. So in your circumstances today, guys, you have your dreams or goals for yourself, Aquarius, but there are certain things happening, some circumstances unfolding today, something creating a lot of obstacle, and it is making things difficult for you, really. And you are someone really dedicated. So in your work or in your personal life, if you think of something or if you make a choice, you do not stop until you achieve that goal or achieve that dreams. So you work hard, make a lot of efforts in your circumstances, guys, Aquarius. So the same way in this relationship, you are moving towards your dreams. Maybe you have future plans with this person, but you see your circumstances are taking a turn. Maybe something happening. Maybe this person is trying to be too dominating or controlling. Maybe they are not listening to you, listening to your ideas, maybe, or it may be your energy. You are not willing to listen to them. Maybe they are giving you some good ideas and they have good intentions. They have your welfare in their heart. So they are telling you something, but you don't want to listen to them. You feel that they are controlling you, trying to dominate you in some ways. Or it may be someone else, guys. In your circumstance, there is a person. It may be a friend or a family member. It may be your friend or their friend. Someone trying to decide for you, or someone trying to manipulate you. It can be you or your person. So they have their own ideas or they have their own reasons for doing that. So maybe they do not like you or they do not like your persons. That may be the reason they are giving you some suggestions or some negative ideas, something against you both in this relationship, guys. But whatever it is, Aquarius, with this card here, this Clover card, this is a very positive card, guys. So it stands for good luck. So today, no matter what your circumstances are, luck is favoring you. Luck is favoring you, Aquarius. And whatever happens, whatever difficulties you see, whatever it may be, your circumstances will resolve. Same way in your work situation. Maybe you may see some difficult circumstances, some obstacles, some troubles. Maybe people are not listening to you or someone is trying to control you. Whatever it is, all that is going to resolve and you're going to see a very good opportunity coming your way. Opportunity for success and opportunity for that lucrative project or financial deal, whatever you do in your work. So some lucky offers are coming your way today, Aquarius. So for your moon energies, let's see what it is. Answers you need are coming today. So maybe in your circumstances today, Aquarius, you will know the right thing, whatever it is, maybe the right answer or maybe the clarity you need, but you need to wait. And you should not be hasty in telling someone something, because the words you speak are going to have a greater impact. So the least said, the soonest mended today. So in your circumstances, if you just wait, if you can be patient for some more time, you are going to get that answer you need for your circumstances, Aquarius. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that Maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is. We are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move, allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you give hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So, all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.